Today I'm going to share you one website where you can earn unlimited TRX or any coin as you want. So guys, link is in the description box. Just paste the link on your any browser. The homepage is like this. You can earn from here unlimited, friends, unlimited. There is no limit for earning, but you have to make more and more referral. So friends, I have already registered and then there is no another account allowed. If there is already registered, you can make only one account. So I am going to log in my account. So here is the dashboard, guys. This is the dashboard of the cloud mining. The website give you unlimited, guys, but you have to make more and more referral. So guys, here you can see withdrawal, all of my withdrawal, 200, 180, 332, 23, 722, 272. This is all my successful withdrawal. This withdrawal take around 5 to 10 minutes, guys. After 5 to 10 minutes, the amount withdrawal has been successfully deposited to your account. So guys, for deposit there is unlimited withdrawal on promotion account. For promotion account, you have to deposit a small amount as you want, 5 TRX to 1000 TRX, and then you can mine 5% of the deposit amount. You can withdraw 5%. This is the withdraw deposit address, guys. Copy here and then go to your wallet. Just withdraw from your account as you like, how much you want to invest. So guys, I have already invested. This is just for demo purpose I am showing you. So guys, deposit it take 5 to 10 minutes. The registration link is in the description box. After deposit successful, you come here and then put your deposit address and then password. So guys, it take only 10 minutes to deposit your account. After that, you can withdraw your mining TRX. The TRX, this cloud mining will give you unlimited earning, guys. So don't miss this and join now and deposit a small amount for test purpose. If you want to deposit more, you can deposit it later, but I'll suggest you for first time deposit a small amount only. So guys, you can see here I have mined a lot of 81,797 TRX now, and then in promotion account I have 166 TRX, and then mining area you can see here in mining area also. See guys, within 24 hours you just came here and then collect your mining. Thank you guys, thank you so much, and then join fast. Thank you.